Your AI agent is running right now, browsing the web, executing command, managing file, and you have absolutely no idea what it's doing. No logs, no limit. It can delete your entire project and it won't even ask. This isn't hypothetical. This is default state of every AI setup out there right now. And most people don't find out until something goes very, very wrong. Today I'm going to show you how to fix that completely in just one command. So what exactly is NemoClaw? Think of it this way. You hire a constructor to work on your house, skilled, capable, but without any rule, they could walk into any room, open any drawer, mess up with any file they want. NemoClaw is a set of rules you give to your constructor before they even walked into any room. Here where you can go, here what you can touch, and everything else is locked. Technically, it's an open source tool developed by NVIDIA that's wrap your OpenClaw AI agent into a secure sandbox. An isolated container where agent can do its job, but your actual system is completely protected. So here comes the next. Why do we need that? The problem with uncontrolled AI agent is your agent can hit any URL on the internet. Call paid API that rack up charges you'll never see coming. Read or delete files anywhere on your machine. Call any AI agent it wants. And the whole time, no record, no audit trail. With NemoClaw, all that flips. The AI agent runs inside OpenShell sandbox. That means no agent can delete your file without your permission. Every network call will be logged and approved by you. And all AI interface goes through NVIDIA's own Nemotron. That means no random model sneaking in. Let's quickly check how NemoClaw works. And after that, I'll show you how to install it with just one line of command. The architecture is really elegant. You run one command, NemoClaw download version tamper-proof blueprint that configures your entire sandbox automatically. And after that, your OpenClaw connects with the OpenShell and then run inside a sandbox. You don't write config file. You don't need to understand how kernel works. You just need this one line of command to install it on any system. So let's move to the installation. I would recommend to check this repository. You'll find link in description. Now, NVIDIA does have their own official installer. But in this repository, you'll find one line installer that does all the heavy lifting first. System checks, dependencies, environment prep, all handled automatically before even NemoClaw touches your system. So we'll first move to this GitHub repository called NemoClaw installer and go and give a start to this repository. This helps the developer to stay motivated. And now we'll use this one-liner command. I'll just simply copy and move to my terminal and simply paste. And that's it. It will do all the heavy lifting automatically. It will prompt you time to time. So let's see first what it's asking for. It's asking for the interface option. An NVIDIA endpoint is recommended. You can use Ulama, which run locally. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use the recommended version, which is NVIDIA endpoint. And now you have to follow the instruction. Visit this website. Just simply copy and paste on your web browser. And it will ask you to register for a free API key. I've already registered, so I'll just simply log in. It will ask you to verify via phone number. So you just put your phone number and you'll receive an OTP. And after the registration and verification, you'll land to this page. As you can see, I've already created one API key, but I'll generate another one just for the sake of this video. Let's click on generate API and give it a name. Select expiration. I'm going to select for 12 hours so that it just expire automatically. And now paste on your terminal. Done. Now it will ask you to choose a model. So we are going to choose a Nemotron. And that's it. It will do the rest. It will install OpenClaw. It will create a sandbox environment for that. And once that's done, I'll be back. Perfect. Download is completed. And now it's asking me to give a name to our sandbox. So I'll just keep a default name, which is my assistant. Previously, it was downloading the sandbox and now it's creating a sandbox. Sandbox creation took a little bit of time. So make sure you just stay and don't panic because it's not stuck, it's creating. And after the sandbox creation, here's the crucial part. It's fairly straightforward, but let me tell you what exactly it is. So the main reason to install NemoClaw is the policies. And here's some predefined policies which is given by the NemoClaw. So I'll be selecting yes because I want all the policies to be applied. And then that's it. Your NemoClaw is installed. Let's scroll up a little bit and follow some instruction. Here you can see a suggested command is OpenClaw UI so that this can run into a proper sandbox. So let's fire up our first command. Okay, if you see something like this, once you run the command, Don't worry, I have a solution. To fix that issue, let's open a new terminal and we have to configure our OpenClaw first. You'll see that token related error because maybe you have installed NemoClaw on completely fresh system. Okay, to fix that, we'll open a new terminal and simply put this command, OpenClaw onboard. And again, you'll get all of this command into description. Let's select yes, I understand. And then we'll go for quick start. I've already configured, but to show you, I'm going to reset the values. And simply now you can choose your model. I'm going to choose Copilot. Done, my Copilot is set it up. I am going to choose my model now. And I'll leave everything as it is, skip for now. We can use DuckDuckGo. I don't want to install skill now. Skip for now, and then let's just simply restart. And this will do everything. And for this option, we are going to choose TUI. This will resolve any issue related to token. Now the fun part, we will start our NemoClaw sandbox and then we'll run our OpenClaw inside it. For that, we'll use this command, NemoClaw MyAssistant connect. This will start our sandbox. And inside sandbox, now we can simply use OpenClaw TUI. And that will start your OpenClaw TUI inside a sandbox. Now your OpenClaw cannot access any sensitive file, cannot do anything which isn't in a policy. And finally, you're running your agent into a complete secure manner. If this video helped you and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this with your all friends. And if you find any difficulties or you have any queries, you can just comment below and I would love to resolve your queries. Till then, happy coding.